Hey first graders, it's Mrs. Daniel from Citizenship Academy. Today we're going to work on Module 2, Lesson 17. Let's look at our objective. We're going to model subtraction of 8 from teen numbers, okay? First we'll play a quick game where we're going to look at the flashcards and subtract 9. So we have 12 minus 9 equals 3. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 11 minus 9 equals 2. 15 minus 9 equals 6. Okay, now we're on to our main lesson today. Ian had 15 building blocks. He used 8 of them to make a car. How many blocks were left? Okay, so there's lots of different strategies we can use. Let's look at some different strategies. First, we could draw 15 squares, and we could cross off 8 of them. And then we could see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 15 minus 8 equals 7. Or we could count on from 8 to 15. So remember in our last video, we did the punch it and say the number that you're starting on. So we would do 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. Okay. Oh, I counted too far. 8 to 15. Whoops. Okay, let's try that again. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There we go. 7 fingers. I was counting too far. 15 minus 8 equals 7. We can look at the take from 10 strategy where we decompose this number 15 into a 10 and a 5. Then we would, from our 10, we would subtract 8 and we would get 2. And then 2 plus 5, this will be left over, equals 7. No matter which strategy we used, did we get the same answer? Yes, we did. No matter what strategy, you will get the same answer. So let's look at a stick of 15, and we're going to break this down into a group of 10 and a group of 5. And now we need to take away 8 pieces from the 10. 8 pieces from 10. We're left with 2. So then we're going to have 2, and we're going to have 5 more. We're going to put them together, and that equals 7. Now we're going to look at 11. We have a group of 10, and then 1 more for 11. And we want to take 8 from 10. So if we take 8 from 10, we're left with 2, and then we add 2 plus 1 more equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now we're going to look at a stick of 12 cubes, 10 in red and 2 in blue. 10 in red, 2 in blue. So we have 12, and we're going to break them up, and we're going to take 8 from our group of 10, and how many do you think we'll be left with? If you said 2, you're correct. We're left with 2. So now we're going to count. 2 plus 2 equals 4. We add these two together to equal 4. Now we're going to have a stick of 14 cubes. Again, we have 10 red and 4 blue. And we're going to break those into 2 groups, 10 and 4. We need to take 8 pieces away. Take 8 away. How many will we be left with? 2. Now we're going to add 2 plus 4 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Let's look at this problem. Gisela had 13 markers in her bag. 8 markers fell out of the bag. How many markers does Gisela have? Let's use our whiteboard for this problem. So we have 13 minus 8 is our problem. 13 minus 8. Okay. So we have 13 minus 8. So we're going to draw 13, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You know I love my 10 friends. Now we're going to take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are we left with? We have 2 plus 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So 13 minus 8 is 5. Nice job. We could also count up or count on. So we would say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5. It's the same answer that we got. 5, and we got 5. Now let's look at our PowerPoint so you can see how they did it. How we did it on here. We have 13, we have 10, and 3 more. We're going to cross out 8, and we're left with 5. Same as we did. She has 5 markers. All right, my friends, that is all for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.